Welcome to DreamzCMMS. In this video, we will explore how you can create a request using your voice. No typing needed. Whether you're on the go using the mobile application or at your desk using the request portal, DreamzCMMS makes the process faster and smarter with AI voice input. Let's get started. In this demonstration, I will begin with the mobile application. I am already logged in as a technician or a user. To create a request, simply click on the plus icon. Next, navigate to the request creation screen. On this screen, go to the description section. Here, you need to select the language. It can be any language, but for this demonstration, I have selected English. Then, you have the option to record audio. When you're ready to start the voice input, tap on it. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a request by speaking. I'll tap on Start Recording and say, "The air conditioner is leaking water and needs urgent repair." Once done, I click on Stop. Now, our AI engine analyzes your voice input and automatically fills in the title, description, and suggests the priority. If you look at the top of the screen, you'll see that the title has been automatically generated. The priority is set as urgent, and the description includes the details I just spoke about. After verifying all the information, you simply click on Submit. As soon as you submit, a request is generated and a message confirms that it has been successfully created. Now, let me go back to the request list and refresh the screen. You will see that a new request has appeared. The requester is Nicholas, and the title of the request is visible. Let's drill down and go to the detailed screen. Here, the title says, "Urgent repair needed for leaking air conditioner." The priority is marked as urgent, and if we scroll down, the description is also visible. This is how you can create a request using voice input from the mobile application, and it will be visible in the web portal as well. Now let me show you how to do the same thing using the voice input feature from the request portal. I'll go to the incident request portal and open it in a new window. On this screen, you have the same option. Let me click on Start Record. After allowing microphone access, I'll say, "The lift in building B is making a strange noise and needs inspection." Once I'm done, I click on Stop. The application processes the voice input and automatically fills in the title, description, and priority. As you can see on the screen, the title, description, and priority are all filled in. You now have the option to add any additional information. After entering the necessary details, click on Save. Once everything is completed, I click Save. A message confirms that the request has been successfully saved, along with the generated case ID. Now I'll go back to the incident list and click on Request. You'll see a new request has been generated. The requester is Kate Mark. That's how simple it is to create a voice-activated request in DreamzCMMS. AI makes it easier, faster, and hands-free. Try it now and boost your productivity. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for watching the video.